Good morning, everyone. Today's lesson, we are going to learn the Wohlfahrt exercise number 1. First of all, you need to know what is this key signature for this music. So it is the C major key signature, which means your first and second finger will be put together at the A and D strings. So your fingering pattern will be like this. And like this at the D and A strings, okay? While at the G string, your first and second finger should be separate. And your third finger should be put really close to your second finger. So your fingering pattern will be like this at the G string, okay? First, second, third put together, but your first should be separate with the second, okay? Now, next, at the E strings, your fingering pattern will be like this. All the fingers should be separate. So first finger is F, second finger is G, third finger is A, and fourth finger is B. Okay. So let's look at the music. When you look at the music, this music divided by 3 different sessions. The first session is the first 2 lines. So let me get it. Yes. So the first 2 lines is the A session, okay? So the first 2 lines A session, which means A session. When you look at the first 2 lines, you will recognize will be the same as the last. How many lines? Will be the same as last 2 lines. So that means the last 2 lines are the same as. Is the same as. Sorry about the bell. Is the same as the first 2 lines. So we classify the first 2 lines as A. That means the last 2 lines as A as well. So the middle of these 3 lines will be the B section. Okay. So if you learned the ABA form, this music, sorry, the B, so this will be the B section. So if you understand ABA form, then that music is based on the ABA form. So when you practice, you only need to focus on the first 5 lines because the last 2 lines is the same as the first 2 lines. Of course, the end is a bit different because the ending. Okay, so when you practice this first exercise, first of all, you need to practice this with your whole bow. So be like. Does it make sense? Once you get used to, then the second week, you use half of the bow. So just use this middle part of your bow to practice like this. Pay as TT. Does that make sense? Okay, now let's look at the B session. The B session is more focused on chord strings and more focused on the lower string and the higher string. So the first 2 bars at the session B is more focused on the G string. So it should be like, and then chord string, and then do it again. Get it? So you can see the first 2 bar. You can see the first 2 bar. Here. The first 2 bar first two bars are the same as the following two bars. Okay, so you can see the patterns. Okay, now we move on to the second line of the B section. Here, it's more focused on the D string. And then change to the G string. And then going back to the D string. So here, sorry, just okay. So for the third line of the section B, this part is at your E string. Okay. So it's B is your fourth finger, and then A your third finger, and then G, and then A, and then B, A, G, A again. Okay. So if you have any question, please email to me. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.